Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Clarence again, and here is another one of my YouTube videos. This one is about removing lug nuts off of your car. Sometimes you have lug nuts that are so tight you can't get them off. So what I have here is a Torque Multiplier to remove lug nuts. It's 16 times 1 to 16 ratio. So imagine 16 people strength to one person. That one person is the lug nut. The other 16 people is this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to remove a lug nut that's extremely tight. It's really easy to get off using this kit here. I'm gonna open it right quickly, let you take a look inside of it. And this is what comes inside of the kit. There's a handle, there's the multiplier, and then there's 4 lug nuts, sockets, I'm sorry, to remove it. And in just a second, I'm gonna walk over to my car and I'm gonna remove a lug nut, sitting down, one arm, no straining, no stress, okay? Put this back, and let me move over to the car. Okay, I'm back. Here's the kit. They call it a 16A labor saving wrench. I call it a Torque Multiplier lug wrench remover. Let's see. This is what comes with it. Handle, 3 plus 1 is 4 sockets, and the multiplier tool itself. This is where all the magic happens inside of here. And basically all you do is take the multiplier, which is here. This socket goes on the lug that you want to take off. This here is a support or stabilizer, and the only thing it do is keep the wrench in place. And it goes on like this. Find the one you want to take off. What I want to take off is right here. Put the socket on it, like so. And this handle, this is one that's coming off. This handle support arm will fit. It's adjustable, so it'll fit like anywhere. I could have put it on this bottom one here. I could have put it here. I could have put it down here, here, but I chose to put it up here. Okay, and that's how you put it on. I think you can probably see that. And then we take my trusty handle. Now this lug nut is tight. I'm gonna sit down and remove it. Not even get up. Now the mechanical advantages inside of these gears. There's a set of gears, gears in there, and you just make sure it's on snug, and you just unturn it. Now, this lug nut is tight. Watch this. And it's loose. Although, if you're going to use this to install lug nuts, I recommend be careful because it can over torque. And if you got those nice expensive rims, you don't want to over torque and mess one of your rims up. But this is it. Once you get it loose, you really can leave that and just take it back off. Okay. Socket stayed in place. Now just take the socket off. And that's all to it. There is the socket and the lug nut. And the next video I'm gonna make is gonna be about this this lug nut with a dress-up cover or sleeve. But anyway, that's a whole nother video. But that's all to it. And you put it back on, reverse order. piece of cake. Okay, that's hand tight, and I'm gonna put this back on it. You may have to line the gear up again. Like so. Okay, and then to tighten it back up, you just do the reverse. Don't want to go too tight because it has a heck of a mechanical advantage. So that's about it for me. And I ain't any no tighter than that. That's pretty much it. Take the tool off. Back it off just a little bit so it loosens up. Take it off. Take the socket off. One socket goes back on the gadget or the gear. Take the handle. Put my handle back in the box. Put my gear back in the container. That's it. That's how you remove it. And you can use it to put it on. Mostly, some of the wheels, sometimes the lug nuts are so hard to take off, you almost gotta have something like this. Or if you don't have them, you know, you ain't got all them super muscles, and you don't want to be standing on a wrench or trying to use some other kind of mechanical advantage, just get you one of these. I got it off of Amazon. They run about 35 or 40 bucks, and I'll have the link for you in down by the comments or in the description somewhere, or just look it up by name right here. Great tool, something I keep. I don't keep them in the car or the truck or my vehicles, but it's a great tool to have. Well, okay, that's about it. Don't forget Torque Multiplier lug wrench removal. Works well. I just noticed these circles making me dizzy. Anyway, the circles are from the light, just joking. But this works. I recommend it. If you don't have an idea on how to use it, get somebody that knows how to use it, or somebody with some mechanical background that can do this. It works real good. Other than that, I'm Clarence. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. And I'll see you at the next video. As a matter of fact, I'm finna make another one. I'm going to make another one in the next maybe 20-30 minutes. All right? Peace. We'll see you.